everyone, welcome back to Quiz and Learn English. I'm Emma.
And I'm David, and today, we'll show you an easy and fun way to sound natural in English.
It's called shadowing, a powerful method to improve your speaking, accent, and fluency.
Here's how it works. First, we'll say a sentence slowly.
Then, you repeat it after us, just like an echo.
Today's practice uses simple daily routine sentences, things you do every day.
They'll help you sound smooth and confident when you speak.
So, listen carefully, copy our tone and rhythm.
Take a deep breath.
Relax your mouth and your mind.
And let's start shadowing together.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
I stretch my body and smile.
I stretch my body and smile.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I take a shower and get ready for the day.
I take a shower and get ready for the day.
I eat my breakfast before leaving home.
I eat my breakfast before leaving home.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I start my work at 9 o'clock.
I start my work at 9 o'clock.
I talk to my colleagues and check my emails.
I talk to my colleagues and check my emails.
I have lunch around 1 p.m.
I have lunch around 1 p.m.
I take a short walk after lunch.
I take a short walk after lunch.
I finish my work and return home around 6 in the evening.
I finish my work and return home around 6 in the evening.
I freshen up and drink a cup of tea.
I freshen up and drink a cup of tea.
In the evening, I go for a walk or sometimes visit the market.
In the evening, I go for a walk or sometimes visit the market.
I spend time with my family and watch TV.
I spend time with my family and watch TV.
I eat my dinner and check my phone.
I eat my dinner and check my phone.
I read something or listen to music before bed.
I read something or listen to music before bed.
I go to sleep and rest peacefully.
I go to sleep and rest peacefully.
Great work.
Practice these lines every day and you'll sound more fluent.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for day 2.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning with Quiz and Learn English.